Hello and welcome. Welcome to the final bag of the Mercedes Technic Lego set. We have successfully completed 11 bags. So that's what we're looking at right now. So yeah, I've had my pitfalls and tiny little setbacks because I put things in the wrong place and maybe didn't put things, line things up exactly right. But hey, I have been liking this build. I mean, this is a really, fun build. It is very challenging to build a set this large. I know it's not maybe one of the largest ones, but it's a large one for me because normally I just do like Lego Speed Champions. But I have gotten into some Technics. I did a Lego 66 Batmobile, and I did do the Technic Charger. Technic Charger was pretty easy. I mean, I didn't really have any pitfalls with that one, but enough said. Let's build the final pack. Let's complete this car. So, see, so I want the one, yeah, I want this one. Or do I want this one? No, I want this one. Yeah, because it's got the L shape on it. I make sure I got the right right piece. Okay. I suppose I could just build the other side of it, because I mean, I'm building this engine cover back here. And it does have two sides. So I can just do that. Okay. I'm gonna grab this piece. Okay. Let's see, I need part number 10. 9. Ah, here's 10. Okay, so like that. So then this one goes in here like this. That goes on like that. Okay, now I need sticker 49. Okay, and then 64. And that means 50 goes on the other side. And 65 goes on the other side. There we go. Okay. So now we need that. That. And that goes to the bottom. Okay. Now grab this, that, and this. Oh wait, no, I gotta put one piece on there first, this piece, and then I can put that. Okay, then this clips on there. Oh, red tab. This guy, and then this guy. And then this goes like that. Huh. I guess so. That's weird. Wait a minute. These aren't in right. these in the right way. These have got to go this way. There. That's much better. And that just fits right up against that. Okay, yeah, much better. Okay. And then we'll take this and this. And we'll run it through here. And then we'll put this on the end. Okay. All right, so then it's just asking me to make the other side of that wing. Oh, and then I need this piece. Squeeze that all together. Now, I guess you do only have one silver block on there. I thought it would have two. The picture shows only one, so. And then turn this upside down. And then that clips on there with one holder. I knew they'd put another pin in it. That's so stupid. I knew there was another pin in there. I don't know why they said to put one pin in it. I mean, why they, you know. Oh, maybe so you could have got it on there and then. Yeah, I think it was just so you could get it on there without the other pin being in the way. I think that's all it was. Okay, anyhow, digressing. So now on the end, two of those with some these on it. And then I need my blade. Nice. Could be a helicopter blade. being repurposed. Okay. And then we just want some caps over the front. And then this whole thing goes on here. There we go. All right, so now we need this piece, one of these, a rod, yeah, let's see, now we need a big sleeves. Put 4 of those on. And cap. And then the little collars. There you go. And then we gotta put that on one side. And this on one side. And then this goes over here. And I'm sure they got to build another one for the other side. Just got to kind of make sure I reverse engineer it. Here we go. Yeah, like I said, then you just had to reverse the position of this piece from the back to the front, and then that from the front to the back. Otherwise, it was mostly the same. Just those two pieces were changed around. Okay, so I need this one. Part number 8. Yep. There. It was there. That goes there. Okay, that goes there. So then the 48. $57. And 61. There we go. My only thing is, could have been nice if they would have put a sticker right here that would have had maybe just like the down part of that star, and they kind of skipped that panel right there. They could have, had the down part of the star there on that panel. So that goes on there like that. Yeah, because see, when it lines up, see, there's the top part. There's one spike, but because they didn't make a sticker with a small spike, you don't get the full emblem. Missed opportunity, I think. You could have made a small sticker with a down spike right there, and then it would have gave you that illusion of the Mercedes emblem. Just my opinion, I would have done it that way. I'd have tried to make a little sticker with a little spike on it, kind of make it blend in with that corner one there. Or, if you were going to leave off the sticker right there, you could have just left off that spike and made it look like the bottom of that one was tucked underneath. That's another thing you could have done. Okay, so then these two in. Yeah, they said, yeah, that's right. I was just trying to make sure these were in right, because there's like a hole, there's 3 holes. I was just trying to make sure that I had it in the bottom 2 where they wanted it, and not, maybe the open hole at the bottom. Okay, so now I just need to make the last piece. I need this, then that. Okay, so 51 is first. Yeah, they did the same thing on this side too. They put the little spike with the missing spike. Okay. Now we'll grab our car, 'cause I'm pretty sure we're going to need that. Oh, they want us to do the wheels first. Oh, that's fine. I think it's kind of weird um, covering over the nice wheel pattern there with these flat plates, but that's the way they want it done. That's the way F1 cars are, I guess. Maybe it helps with aerodynamics or something. You know, maybe that just helps with the aerodynamics to not have all that air going through the tire. I suppose it would kind of be up to you too if you wanted to have a more sportier, tire look. You know, just leave the covers off. You wouldn't necessarily have to leave them on if you didn't want to. All right, now to put them on the car. That's one. This one just doesn't want to cooperate. Well, that one's not cooperating very well. There we go. Little power of persuasion. Now I think I'm going to do that. I'll try that again. That seemed to work. Shazam. Now, just put this thing on. Well, I guess they have it loose like that just so you can take it off so the way you can see the engine. They don't hard mount that, just so that way you can be able to showcase the engine inside. But I suppose if you really wanted to, maybe, permanently attach it so that way it didn't come off, you could switch out these red things for actual clips. Because those blue ones just kind of drop in. They just kind of set in there. They're not, locked in or anything. That way, you can take it off. You can see the little motor running inside of it. But anyhow, there it is. That is the Lego Technic F1 Mercedes. All done. Looks beautiful. Got nice working suspension there. Yep. So it's got full suspension front and back. That's cool. So yep. So there it is. All done. I hope you enjoyed the series. It did take me maybe a couple days to do it. I just do a little bit, take a break, do a little bit more. But yep. So that's all we got for it. And you can kind of see here there's a diagram of the real car and the Technic car. And there's some more graphic on it. And then you got the Technic car and like the little mini car. I don't have the little mini one. Oh, it's a pullback. It's a mini pullback version. Yeah, I don't do pullback cars. So, but yeah, there you go. Lego Technic F1 Mercedes, and then the little Speed Champions version. Now it'd been kind of cool if they would have, if they could have a little driver, to put into this one, like like a some sort of Lego minifig driver. That'd be kind of cool. But anyhow, that's all I got for that. You know, maybe next time I'll find another Lego set that I want to build. Um, I did mention in the beginning of the video I had gone to Walmart and purchased this, and I was after the Skyline Technic, but they didn't have it. They did have that Supra, but I I like this car, you know, and yeah, it was more expensive than the Supra. It was more expensive uh, than the Skyline, but it was well worth the money. So I really enjoyed it. I mean, I did have some, you know, pitfalls with it, but you know, for the most part, I enjoyed this. Um, so I guess until then, I've been Ronald the Powerwork Builder. Join me again when I build something else. Have a good day.